Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Jerry with the Relaxed Garden. I am taking your glasses off. There we go. This is Jerry. I garden in Zone 9B in Houston, Texas. And if you saw my plant haul video yesterday, you know that in that plant haul, I purchased some plants from Walmart and Home Depot. And within that group of plants, I bought a couple of cannas, and I'm potting those up this morning. So, I've already kind of started. I have these, you can see, I don't know if you can see it right there. Let me come over. One is going to go right here, and the other one right over here. I think they'll frame. These are dwarf crepe myrtles that get about 3 or 4 feet tall. I think 4 feet tall, so they'll grow a little more. These will get 48 inches tall, so they'll come up here because they're in these pots. Let me put my glasses up. Check this out. They're just going to be in these regular nursery pots that I bought online. Look at that. Just a regular black pot, and that's fine. It just needs to sit back here. It just needs to sit back here and kind of fade away. No one needs to see it. But I think that's going to be great. I filled up the pots with this old soil from other containers, and I always augment it because, I mean, I just, where do you get all that soil from? It's existing soil. I had it. I always augment it with compost and a potting mix. And then, of course, I put in my favorite fertilizer. So I'll get a good scoop of that. I'll put it in here. Get that out of the way. I'll grab another scoop and do the same thing with this one. I'm going to dig it in or mix it all in with this. Look at that. This is going to look so nice. Like I said, these grow about 4 feet tall. They like a rich soil. So all that soil that I just put in there is very rich. So these should thrive. Let me get this plant out. There we go. Look at that. Wow. Look at those. Kind of need to tease some of these roots out because that is very root bound. That's why they don't look so great on top. Look at that. Is that crazy? Anyway, there we go. These are going to look so nice. Like I said, they grow about 4 feet tall. They love to stay damp, or they like moist soil. They don't want to sit in water, but they do like staying moist or damp. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. I think that is going to be amazing. There, I think that's it. I'm going to level this pot out so it looks even better. Look at that. Kind of hard to see behind all this, but as it gets taller, you'll be able to see it. Let me come over to this side and work on this one. We had a really good rain last night. It's amazing how wet of a spring we've had. considering how dry our winter was, it's nuts. But it's great for the garden, so I'm not complaining. Here we go. Oh, again, look at this. That is crazy. It is crazy that it's so... Let me get in here. Tease out some of those roots. We'll clean this up. All right. There we go. Let's turn it this way. There you go. Look at that. I think that looks so good. Get these planted in there. Look at that. That looks great. Oh, those are going to look so good right there. And they have these they're described as buttery yellow flowers. So they're going to grow about 4 feet tall and 48 inches tall, and they'll be topped off with these buttery yellow flowers. I think it'll be a great color addition to this border right here. So that was that. Let me water them in. Although we've had lots of rain, I still want to water them in and make sure they get settled in. So let's do that. I'll probably have to come back and add a little more soil, because when you do this, the soil tends to settle. And you always need to add a little more. Yeah, look at that. This is going to be beautiful. I can't wait to see them bloom. They like full sun. They'll get full sun. They don't have a problem with the heat and humidity, and that's great because in Houston we have tons of heat and humidity. So that's it. Those are the cannas. Now we are going to go and plant the Dianella. Remember, I had also a Dianella, and this. Here, let's come over this way. Right there. Yeah, you can see that. It's going to go right here. Let me get my shovel. This is the tool today. My handy shovel. Yeah. Let me turn this. I don't want to hurt those. So this is going to go right there. Let me scrape away some of this mulch that we laid the other day, nice and thick. That was perfect timing to put this mulch in. Right before all the rain. So it's doing exactly as it should. It is keeping everything nice and damp. Because just as sure as it is a wet spring, we are going to have a very hot summer. And invariably, our hot summer will turn from this wet spring to a very dry, hot summer. That usually happens around August for us, when we start hitting 100 Fahrenheit, if you can believe it, and we will have that temperature for about a couple of weeks, sometimes a month, like daily. It's crazy. Look at that. Let me make sure that fits. Perfect size hole. Let me get my Let me get my fertilizer. Not very prepared this morning. I should have. Pretty good. I guess we just get about a scoop full. There you go. And actually, it looks like it's going to start raining again. So here is this. Look at this. It looks great. Look at those plants. I mean, look at those plants. Look at those roots. Very good. Just tease them out a little. It's not root bound at all. This is a very healthy plant with those beautiful leaves. So let me get back over here and find my way over so I don't step on anything. Here we go. And try to find the front. I think that's the front. Or at least that's what I'm calling the front. Here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful soil. I'm going to have to remulch this area, and that's fine. Look at that. I do not have to water this in the ground. This ground is so wet and muddy. It's just not necessary. Here, let me turn this over. There we go. I love having pots in the flower beds, but it's a constant struggle to keep them level. So that's that. All right. There we go. So that's it. I've got my 3 Dianella, and that's what I wanted. Let me show you. That's one. That's the one I planted in the middle. These 2 on the side were there from earlier. And that's that. Let me show you the... Look at that. There's a pot. That's that black nursery pot. I bought a bunch of them last year. And I've got this Canna in here. All this stuff will grow up. These pot, even if it doesn't cover the pots are black, so they just kind of fade away. And you'll just see that. You'll just see the Cannas. And there's the other one over there. I think that is going to be a great addition. I think they're going to look awesome. I can't wait till they bloom. Anyway, thanks for watching. Again, if you haven't seen it, take a look at the latest plant haul video that I did. I bought a bunch of plants from Walmart and from Home Depot. Check that out. That's where these plants came from. And anyway, so that's that. Thanks for watching. And I'll catch you later. Check out. I'm going to be doing more videos. I've got some pentas that I need to plant, and I've got a couple of loropetalum as well as a Japanese maple. So anyway, talk to you guys later. See ya. Bye.